Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where you can learn web programming and get many computer related tricks. So in this very first tutorial, we need to install Nodejs on our operating system. At first, we need to visit nodejs.org as you can see from this page, and need to download the requested stable package of Node.js. So hover over to download link and install the required file for your operating system. If you are in a Windows package, you can install the MSI format, or if you are in a macOS installer, you can download the PKG format. And for Linux, you can get the Linux binaries, which is in a .tar format, tar.gz, and you need to extract this into a folder. Then you need to use the command line, but you can use the command line or terminal to install from Ubuntu package system. So you need to type sudo apt install Nodejs, and you need to type hit enter, and then type your administrative password T, that is this one. And you can see I already installed the package, so I don't need to install it again. And for Node package manager, which is npm, you need to install it by sudo apt install npm and hit enter, and it already installed on my Ubuntu operating system. Now we need to verify the version of the Nodejs by typing node version, and you can see the version is 8.10, and another is we need to check for npm version, that is saying that 3.5.2 of the Node package manager. So now we need to make a server connection by making a demo file inside our system. So at first create a file using vim. So vim, we are going to write this file inside our desktop and making a new directory. Okay, at first need to go to the desktop, and we're going to make a directory that is node and hit enter. And after that we need to go to the node folder, and inside it we need to create a file using vim and just test server.js and hit enter. And using, just at first we need to make a variable that is http, and we are going to include by using require function, that is http, and then we are going to create a server and inside the function we are going to use two arguments, request result and we'll echo out, that is listening to 127.0.0.180, and you need to listen from here, that is 8080. So at first we need to create we need to require a HTTP variable, and then we need to create a server function request result, and then after ending this function we just need to use the dot symbol and listen 8080. And here we need to make we need to use this result argument, result dot write head 200. If it is successful, then the content type we're going to use, and it is inside an object, and content type is text plain or text HTML. Then we just need to use res.write, and we are going to use h1 for the heading level 1, and need to say first level heading and res dot write this is a paragraph, and res dot end. And now our setup has been done with this test server.js. Now we need to run this script to our system by Node. So we are going to use a new tab inside our terminal, and need to type Node and then test server.js, hit enter, and you can see listening to 127.0.0.18080. So we need to copy this and paste and go. See, we have first level heading, and there is a paragraph, this is a paragraph. So we have made a HTTP connection with Node for this tutorial, and on next tutorial we will learn about Node, and we will explain what is Node and why should we use Nodejs, and some short description about Nodejs. So I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching this video.